Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Munawwar Hussain from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about best picnic places in Gilgit Baltistan. Hope it will help you to make your tour better. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to keep connected. Gilgit Baltistan is a beautiful and scenic region in the northern part of Pakistan, known for its stunning natural landscapes, snow-capped mountains, and glaciers. Here are some of the best picnic places in Gilgit Baltistan along with recommendations for food and clothing. 1. Hunza Valley. Located in the northern part of Gilgit Baltistan, Hunza Valley is a popular tourist destination. The valley offers breathtaking views of the snow-capped mountains, lush green meadows, and crystal-clear lakes. Some of the popular picnic spots in Hunza Valley include Altat Fort, Baltat Fort, and at Tabard Lake. For food, you can take sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. It is recommended to wear comfortable clothing and shoes suitable for hiking. 2. Nalta Valley. Nalta Valley is a hidden gem located in the heart of Gilgit Baltistan. The valley is known for its pristine lakes, colorful forests, and snow-covered peaks. Some of the popular picnic spots in Nalta Valley include Nalta Lake, Nalta Ski Resort, and Nalta Wildlife Sanctuary. For food, you can take barbecue items, fruits, and cold drinks. It is recommended to wear warm clothing and sturdy shoes suitable for trekking. 3. Fairy Meadows. Fairy Meadows is a beautiful alpine meadow located in the vicinity of Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest mountain in the world. The meadow offers stunning views of the mountain peaks, glaciers, and valleys. For food, you can take canned food, energy bars, and water bottles. It is recommended to wear warm clothing, hiking boots, and a waterproof jacket. 4. Khunjerab Pass. Khunjerab Pass is the highest paved international border crossing in the world, located at an altitude of 4,693 meters. The pass offers stunning views of the Karakoram Range and the Pamir Mountains. For food, you can take sandwiches, fruits, and energy bars. It is recommended to wear warm clothing, a windproof jacket, and gloves. 5. Diozai Plains. Diozai Plains is a high-altitude plateau located in the Skardu district of Gilgit Baltistan. The plains offer stunning views of the snow-covered mountains, glaciers, and lakes. For food, you can take canned food, energy bars, and water bottles. It is recommended to wear warm clothing, hiking boots, and a waterproof jacket. Overall, when planning a picnic in Gilgit Baltistan, it is important to pack enough warm clothing, sturdy shoes suitable for hiking, and food and drinks that are easy to carry and provide enough energy for outdoor activities. It is also recommended to bring a first aid kit, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a map or GPS device for navigation. Hope that it helps you a lot. Share this with your friends so that they can also have this information. Thank you so much for your time.